Most people use garlic to add flavor to their foods, but there's another use for it. It's beneficial to helping you lose weight as well as burn belly fat because it's filled with vitamins and minerals which play a major factor in losing weight. These are the ways to use raw garlic to lose weight and burn belly fat. Garlic should be eaten daily since it's a great way to help you lose weight by giving you more energy that burns more calories than you consume. This ingredient is an excellent way to boost your metabolism, which will allow you to lose weight more effectively. It's perfect for people with slow metabolism because it speeds it up and allows them to burn more fat and calories. Garlic contains a diuretic, allowing you to get rid of the impurities in your body, which will result in losing belly fat. It helps you flush out the toxins that could clog up your digestive system, which will make losing weight difficult for you. Adding garlic to your diet is a great way to help your digestive system, which will allow you to achieve your weight loss goal. This flavor enhancer is a great appetite suppressant because it keeps you full throughout the day, which will prevent you from overeating. Garlic burns any extra calories you take in, which will make you more fit the more you eat it. Eating it every day will enhance your metabolism as well as your immune system, which will aid in burning belly fat. If you don't want to eat garlic, you can still add it to your diet by mixing it with drinks. The best way to consume it is by adding it to your water when you get up in the morning. In addition to raw garlic, you can add lemon juice in warm water because the combination of the two will help you lose weight. In order for this tip to be effective, you should drink it right away. Raw garlic has excellent health benefits, and one of the best benefits is the way it helps you lose weight and burn belly fat. It speeds up your metabolism, it's an excellent appetite suppressant, and it's a diuretic which will help you achieve your goals. And if you're seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, HealthFitnessPlanet.com/weightloss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.